Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT secured password control door opening and closing system. So in this project we have interfaced this stepper motor as a door controlling mechanism and which will interface it to the HVS-1695 microcontroller. So here we are going to control this direction of this door which is attached to this stepper motor by sending the commands from your mobile phone through this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module to the microcontroller. So here we have interfaced this stepper motor through this stepper motor driver to the HVS-1695 microcontroller at A0, A1, A2, A3 pins. And this will be controlled through the Wi-Fi module which is connected at B0, B1 pins directly. And from this adapter we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply to this. So this is adapter main purpose is it will take 230 volts AC and provide as a 5 volts DC. So it has a 4 major steps inside this adapter. One is a step down transformer, so which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and next rectification which will convert the AC to pulsating DC, and filtration which will remove the pulses from the pulsating DC so that we will get the 12 volts pure DC voltage. And after that we need 5 volts power supply. So for that purpose we will place a 7805 regulator in this one, so which will take DC 12 volts and provide us the DC 5 volts output. And once we provide the 5 volts output to this motherboard, so on this motherboard there you can see 3 major components. One is the microcontroller, as we discussed, PIC16F73 microcontroller, and this one is the crystal oscillator, so which will provide the 20 megahertz clock frequency to the microcontroller. The main purpose of this clock pulses are, so we provide a set of instructions to read the Wi-Fi data to control the output. So these instructions need to be executed based on the clock pulse. One clock pulse, one instruction, so that controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second, as we are providing 20 mega clock frequency per second from this crystal oscillator. So this is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller. Just when you press and release that, the controller will be restarts. And this is the power LED will show the power status, and this is the program LED indication of the process was going on. So let us see the demonstration. Before switch on the kits, we need to install 2 applications in your phone. So one is Juice SSH and another is Network Analyzer application. These 2 are the application we need to install. After installation, go to hotspot settings of your phone. Change the hotspot name to project 5249 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789. So after that AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. These 3 are the main important. You should take care before on the kit. On the hotspots, and now you can switch on the power supply to the system. There you can see one device will be connected. You can see that. Right. Okay. Right. So the device will be connected into your phone. And now to get the IP address of that particular mobile device, so go to application and LAN scan. Do the scan here. So there you get the ESPress info. So the IP address over here. So now click on that and copy this IP address. And now go to application Juice SSH. In this manage connections, let's add that. Here also we need to enter 3 changes more. So one is a type telnet address. So just paste the address we got from the network analyzer application and the port number 8080. So I'm repeating, type telnet, IP address and port number 8080. Right. So click now. We can see these 3 lines. Okay, so connected to so-called device. And now, so if you want to open that, so forward. So you can observe the door is unlocking. After a certain step-size rotation, automatically it will stops. And next, backward. Right. So if you are executing the project from your same mobile phone the next time, so just now, no need to save, no, press no, and then back. So let us close all these. So just you can switch on the hotspot and then switch on the kit, next step onwards, and just open the app directly. There you can see already we have entered this. this IP address will be fixed for this mobile phone. If you change the mobile phone, then again you need to find the IP address, then you need to follow the same steps. Again forward. Backward. Right. So in this manner we are going to provide the access for the door from IoT mobile phone application.